it's an exciting time to be in dentistry with all of the new products that are coming out with the resins and LuxCreo.
Pedro Albizu, Seminole Shores Dental in Tampa, Florida. I wanted to see what new stuff's out, and I'm glad I did. The new flipper that they're printing is really cool, and just how simplistic they're making the technology.
Listen, I think this is crazy. Like, you got probably like the two industry giants in 3D printing right now. Like Glidewell, by far the largest lab in the world. You got LuxCreo, who literally invented direct printed aligners, and talk about the dynamic duo of a team.
The program's fantastic for education.
I am enjoying it. The personalities are really nice, they're authentic.
I think you guys did great.
There's a lot that we're taking back.
How quickly it started to pay for itself, we do not regret it. It's been actually more fun than anything.
And if they ever need a replacement,